Do you often experience numbness, cold feet, or nighttime cramps? These could be signs of poor blood circulation, a common issue that is often overlooked. When blood doesn't flow properly to your legs and feet, you may experience pain, fatigue, and even varicose veins. Fortunately, you don't need medication to improve circulation. One of the most effective and natural ways to boost blood flow is by incorporating the right foods into your daily diet. Certain foods can help dilate blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and enhance circulation, ensuring that your legs and feet stay healthy. In today's video, we'll uncover 12 foods that help improve blood circulation to your legs and feet. These foods not only enhance overall circulation, but also support heart health and reduce the risk of vascular diseases. Join Lifelong Connections as we explore these incredible foods and learn how they can help you achieve better blood flow and healthier legs. Part 1. Why is blood circulation important? Blood circulation plays a vital role in maintaining overall health. It delivers oxygen and essential nutrients throughout the body, ensuring that organs function properly. When blood flows efficiently, cells receive adequate nourishment, leading to increased energy, improved heart health, and better brain function. On the other hand, poor circulation can cause serious issues. You may experience numbness, cold feet, swelling, and muscle cramps. Over time, inadequate blood flow can increase the risk of varicose veins, high blood pressure, and even strokes or heart disease. By enhancing circulation, you can enjoy more energy, reduced pain, faster wound healing, and most importantly, stronger and healthier legs and feet. In the next section, let's explore the 12 best foods to boost blood circulation effectively. Part 2: 12 foods that improve blood circulation to your legs and feet. To optimize blood circulation to your legs and feet, it is important to include the right foods in your diet. Here are the top 12 foods that improve circulation and promote healthy blood vessels naturally. Optimize blood circulation. 12 foods to improve blood flow to your legs and feet. Poor circulation can lead to cold feet, numbness, cramps, swelling, pain, and varicose veins. Adding the right foods to your diet not only enhances blood circulation but also supports heart health, reduces blood pressure, and protects blood vessels from damage. Here are 12 highly effective foods to optimize blood flow to your legs and feet. 1. Beets, a natural vasodilator superfood. How it works. Beets contain high levels of natural nitrates. Once inside the body, they convert into nitric oxide, which expands blood vessels, reduces pressure on the heart, and increases muscle oxygenation. Studies show that drinking beet juice can increase blood flow to the legs by up to 20%. Benefits: helps lower blood pressure, making circulation more efficient, increases muscle endurance, reducing leg fatigue, keeps feet warmer, especially in cold weather. Best ways to consume: fresh beet juice. Drink 200 to 300 milliliters per day for maximum benefits. Combine with carrots or apples for a naturally sweeter taste. Steam or make beet soup to retain essential nutrients. Precautions: avoid drinking too much beet juice at once. It may cause dizziness due to a sudden drop in blood pressure. People with kidney stones should limit consumption as beets contain oxalates. 2. Oranges, lemons, and citrus fruits improve blood vessel elasticity. How it works. Rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, these fruits stimulate collagen production, keeping blood vessels flexible and elastic. Help cleanse arteries, removing debris and preventing plaque buildup. Benefits: prevent varicose veins and capillary breakage in the legs. Support smoother blood circulation, reducing foot swelling. Reduce leg cramps caused by poor circulation. Best ways to consume: drink a glass of fresh orange juice in the morning. Mix with warm water for better absorption. Eat whole citrus fruits to take advantage of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar. Citrus peels also contain beneficial flavonoids. Brew them into tea for added benefits. Precautions: avoid drinking citrus juice on an empty stomach. It may cause stomach discomfort. If taking blood-thinning medication, consult a doctor before consuming high amounts of vitamin C. 3. Ginger, anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting powerhouse. How it works. Contains gingerol and zingerone, which dilate blood vessels and prevent artery blockages. The active compounds in ginger also reduce inflammation, improving blood flow to extremities. Benefits: reduces cold hands and feet, especially in winter. Helps relieve joint and muscle pain associated with poor circulation. Supports digestion, enhancing nutrient absorption. Best ways to consume: warm ginger tea. Add honey and lemon for enhanced benefits. Fresh ginger in stir-fries, soups, or stews. Ginger powder can be added to smoothies or detox drinks. Precautions: limit intake to 4 grams of ginger per day. Excessive amounts may cause stomach irritation. Avoid if taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin. 4. Cayenne pepper. Stimulates blood circulation instantly. How it works: contains capsaicin, which rapidly dilates blood vessels and increases blood flow to the legs. Capsaicin also relieves nerve pain and prevents swelling in the feet. Benefits: helps prevent blood clots, protecting heart health. Reduces cold feet caused by poor circulation. Boosts metabolism, aiding in weight management. Best ways to consume: add cayenne pepper to soups, sauces, or sprinkle on eggs. Mix with warm water and lemon for a morning detox drink. Capsaicin creams can be applied to the legs to improve circulation. Precautions: avoid excessive spicy food. It may cause stomach irritation. Not recommended for those with acid reflux or ulcers. 5. Fatty fish. Maintain healthy arteries. How it works: fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help thin the blood, reduce inflammation, and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Omega-3s also boost nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Benefits: reduces the risk of blood clots and high blood pressure. Prevents artery blockages, allowing blood to flow freely to the legs. Reduces joint inflammation in the knees and ankles. Best ways to consume: eat 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week to maintain healthy circulation. Prepare by steaming, grilling, or lightly pan-searing with olive oil to retain nutrients. Caution: avoid deep-fried fish as unhealthy oils can clog blood vessels. Those with gout should limit consumption due to the purine content in fish. 6. Garlic, a natural vasodilator. How it works: contains allicin, a compound that dilates blood vessels and prevents blood clotting. Has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which protect blood vessel walls from damage. Benefits: lowers blood pressure and improves circulation. Helps prevent numbness in the legs and feet due to poor circulation. Improves cholesterol levels, protecting cardiovascular health. Best ways to consume: chew a raw garlic clove in the morning or use it in daily cooking. Combine with honey to reduce pungency and enhance circulation benefits. Caution: avoid eating raw garlic on an empty stomach if you have a sensitive digestive system. Those on blood thinners should consult a doctor before consuming garlic. 7. Beets. Stimulate circulation to the limbs. How it works: rich in natural nitrates, which widen blood vessels and enhance blood flow. Supports muscle oxygenation, reducing leg cramps. Benefits: keeps feet and hands warm in cold weather. Reduces the risk of high blood pressure and angina. Enhances muscle endurance in older adults. Best ways to consume: drink beetroot juice or eat raw in salads. Cook in soups or steam to preserve nutrients. Caution: should be consumed in moderation by individuals with a history of kidney stones. 8. Cinnamon. Boosts circulation and reduces inflammation. How it works: contains cinnamaldehyde, which relaxes blood vessels and enhances blood flow to the legs. Has anti-inflammatory properties, reducing swelling in the ankles. Benefits: helps lower high blood pressure. Improves cardiovascular health and reduces oxidative stress. Aids in blood sugar regulation. Best ways to consume: add cinnamon powder to tea, coffee, or oatmeal. Use cinnamon in baked goods or as a seasoning. Caution: do not consume more than 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon daily to avoid liver damage. 9. Almonds. Vitamin E boost for smooth blood flow. How it works: vitamin E in almonds protects blood vessels and prevents clot formation. Magnesium in almonds relaxes muscles and blood vessels, helping to reduce cold hands and feet. Benefits: improves blood circulation and regulates blood pressure. Prevents numbness in the legs after long periods of sitting. Supports heart health and lowers bad cholesterol. Best ways to consume: eat 10 to 15 almonds daily as a healthy snack. Soak almonds overnight for better nutrient absorption. Caution: avoid excessive consumption in one sitting, as it may cause bloating. 10. Watermelon enhances nitric oxide for better circulation. How it works: contains citrulline, a compound that boosts nitric oxide production, dilating blood vessels. Has a mild diuretic effect, reducing leg swelling. Benefits: prevents heavy legs due to water retention. Supports overall blood circulation. Provides hydration and electrolytes to reduce swelling. Best ways to consume: eat fresh watermelon or blend it into a refreshing smoothie. Pair with mint for an extra detoxifying effect. Caution: avoid excessive consumption at night to prevent frequent urination. 11. Avocados reduces inflammation and improves blood vessel elasticity. How it works: rich in omega-3 fatty acids and potassium, which protect blood vessels and regulate blood pressure. Reduces inflammation and promotes smooth blood flow to the feet. Benefits: lowers cholesterol and protects heart health. Prevents varicose veins in the legs. Keeps feet skin soft and hydrated due to natural nutrients. Best ways to consume: eat avocado directly or blend into smoothies. Add to salads or make guacamole. Caution: avoid overconsumption if monitoring calorie intake. 12. Pomegranate increases oxygen supply to leg muscles. How it works: packed with polyphenols and natural nitrates, which enhance circulation and reduce blood vessel inflammation. Helps leg muscles receive more oxygen during physical activity. Benefits: prevents numbness and cramps in the legs. Supports cardiovascular health and boosts stamina. Reduces the risk of peripheral artery disease. Best ways to consume: drink pomegranate juice or eat fresh pomegranate seeds. Sprinkle seeds on salads or yogurt for added flavor and benefits. Caution: pomegranate juice may interact with certain blood pressure medications. Part 3. How to incorporate these foods into your daily diet. Now that you know the 12 best foods to improve blood circulation in your legs and feet, let's explore how to easily incorporate them into your daily meals. 1. Start your day with a circulation-boosting breakfast. Option 1. A smoothie with beets, bananas, and pomegranate for a nitric oxide boost. Option 2. A bowl of oatmeal topped with almonds, cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey to keep your arteries clear. Option 3. Scrambled eggs with garlic and avocado toast for a heart-healthy meal. 2. Mid-morning snacks for sustained energy. Munch on a handful of almonds or dark chocolate to keep blood flow steady. Enjoy a slice of watermelon to stay hydrated and promote circulation. 3. Lunch ideas for maximum blood flow. A salmon or mackerel salad with avocado and spinach to nourish your blood vessels. A quinoa bowl with beets, pomegranate seeds, and garlic dressing for optimal artery health. 4. Afternoon pick-me-up. Drink a glass of beetroot juice or pomegranate juice to enhance blood circulation naturally. Have some dark chocolate with green tea for a relaxing yet blood-boosting snack. 5. Circulation-friendly dinner choices. Grilled fatty fish, like salmon or mackerel, with roasted garlic and steamed spinach. A vegetable stir-fry with garlic, cinnamon, and almonds for extra circulation benefits. A hearty soup with beets, garlic, and cinnamon for a cozy and nutrient-rich meal. 6. Evening snacks for relaxation and recovery. A warm cup of cinnamon tea to improve circulation before bedtime. A small serving of dark chocolate for a sweet yet healthy treat. Bonus tips to improve blood circulation along with a healthy diet. While these foods significantly boost circulation, pairing them with lifestyle habits can enhance their effects. Stay active. Walking, stretching, and leg exercises help pump blood effectively. Massage and elevation. Massaging your feet and elevating your legs can prevent swelling and promote circulation. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water to maintain smooth blood flow. Reduce processed foods. Avoid foods high in trans fats and sodium, which restrict circulation. By making simple dietary adjustments, you can keep your legs and feet healthy, prevent numbness, and maintain strong blood circulation. Part 4. Habits to support better blood circulation. In addition to consuming circulation-boosting foods, maintaining healthy lifestyle habits is crucial for optimizing blood flow, especially to your legs and feet. Here are some effective methods you can start implementing today. 1. Engage in exercises that improve circulation. Daily walking. Walking is a simple yet highly effective way to stimulate blood flow and reduce numbness in your legs. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day. Leg elevation exercises. Lie on your back. Lift your legs at a 45-degree angle, and hold for 5 to 10 minutes to encourage blood flow back to the heart. Yoga and stretching. Poses like downward dog and legs up the wall help enhance circulation and relieve pressure on your veins. Endurance training. Activities like cycling, swimming, and low-impact exercises strengthen blood vessels and improve circulation efficiency. 2. Massage your feet regularly. Self-massage at home. Use coconut oil, olive oil, or castor oil to massage your feet in circular motions. This stimulates blood flow and relaxes tense muscles. Use a massage roller. A small ball or foot roller can help relieve tension in the soles and boost circulation. Soak feet in warm water. Adding Epsom salt or essential oils like cinnamon and ginger can relax blood vessels and reduce cold feet. 3. Adjust your sitting and standing posture. Avoid prolonged sitting. If your job requires long sitting hours, stand up and move around every 30 to 60 minutes to prevent blood pooling in your legs. Do not cross your legs. Sitting with crossed legs can slow blood circulation and cause numbness. Use a footrest if you must sit for long periods. Place a small stool under your feet to elevate them slightly, promoting better circulation. 4. Stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet. Drink at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily to keep your blood thin and flowing smoothly. Limit excessive alcohol and caffeine intake, as they can dehydrate the body and negatively impact circulation. Reduce sodium intake. Eating too much salt can cause water retention and swelling in your legs. 5. Manage your weight and blood pressure. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight increases pressure on your veins, hindering circulation. Monitor blood pressure. High blood pressure can damage arteries and slow down blood circulation. 6. Choose the right footwear. Avoid wearing high heels for extended periods. High heels can restrict blood flow to the feet. Wear comfortable shoes with good cushioning. Well-fitted, supportive shoes promote better circulation. 7. Reduce stress and maintain mental well-being. Practice deep breathing and meditation. Stress can cause blood vessels to constrict, reducing blood flow to the legs. Deep breathing exercises help relax the body and enhance circulation. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can negatively affect circulation and decrease heart efficiency. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. In summary, optimizing blood circulation requires not only consuming the right foods but also incorporating healthy habits like regular exercise, foot massages, hydration, and stress management. With just a few small lifestyle changes, you can experience significant improvements in your overall health.